Welcome back to my channel, Simply Family. How are you all doing today? I hope you all are having an amazing day. Hope you're having an amazing week as well. Thank you all so much for your likes. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your subscriptions. Thank you to my old and my new subscribers. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification post so as to get notified whenever I upload. So for today's video, I'm lockdown numbers pick my eyeshadow challenge. This challenge, I was challenged by Tammy. Alright guys, you need to check her out. She's a content creator on YouTube here too. She does hair, beauty, lifestyle and more. Like, I really enjoyed her tutorial. Everything she has on her channel, they are so amazing. You will learn so much. I've learned a lot from watching her channel. Like, seriously, how did I know how to clear the back of my thumbnail? Is from her, and I give that credit to her today, like openly. I said it in a comment and I'm saying it in this video as well. So guys, please check out Tammy and please subscribe to her. Tell her Simply Demi sent you. Thank you so much for honoring that. I appreciate you. So like I said, today's title, you all have seen it. So the eyeshadow palette that I'm going to be using, this eyeshadow palette by Anastasia Beverly Hill in collaboration with Jackie Aina. So this is what I'm going to be. You all can tell I've done my brows off the camera, and I'm going to be applying my foundation powder and all that good stuff off the camera, because this look, it's all about the eyelids. Okay, so I don't want to bore you guys out and doing the same, shebang all the time. Okay, so the logic behind this is that this the lockdown that we all are in right now, it's going to pick my eyeshadow that I'm going to use to do this look. Okay, so I pick up this palette to use, and in this palette we have about let me count: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So we have 14 eyeshadow in this palette, and we are in 2020. Of course, she said pick a significant date in this particular lockdown that we have. When I watched her video, that was what she said. So the significant date to me, it's gonna be my birthday. Yay! I was born April 12, so I'm gonna pick my birthday to do my look for today. So like, we have 14 in here, we don't have up to 20 here. So my number 2 is gonna be this, which is gonna stand for my 2020 year 2020. So I'll now count 1 2 3 4. This purple, which is called big wig, it's gonna be my 04, which is month of April. And my number 12, we're gonna count to be the day. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Edges is gonna be my 12th, which is, so I'm gonna be working with Supreme, big wig, and edges. All right, let's see the look I can create with this. Honestly guys, I'm telling you the honest truth, I have not checked this thing behind the camera. This is, I'm just doing it right here for me to pick the numbers, and I chose this palette. I was like, this is what I'm going to use anyway. So no practice, no choosing of number behind to know what I'm going to get. Now I don't know what I'm going to create with those things I picked up. But let's jump into this fun filled day. All right, so I'm going to use edges as my transition color. Okay, in fact, I don't know what I'm going to go for, but so I will take Supreme to blend out part of my transition color. I'm going to come in with Supreme to put on my eyelid. So I'll come in with Supreme to put on my eyelid. So for the remaining part of my eyelid, I will come in with Supreme, the lighter pink, because I don't even know what look I can create with these shades that I picked. So I'll put that at the remaining part of my eyelid. I'm gonna go ahead and just blend the two to kind of pick the wrong size to blend it together, flow into each other. So this is what we have so far going on. I just need to do some blending, apply my false lashes, do the rest of my face, and just come back to the camera like a serious. So guys, this is the end of this video, and this is the look I came up with. By the title, you all have seen it, and I've said something about it too, and this is how my face is looking. And if you're wondering what lipstick I'm wearing, this lipstick is by Black Radiance. This is called Queen Bee 5508, and that is what I have on my lips, and this is how my natural hair is looking right now. I can't really do anything to it at the moment. You can't go anywhere as usual. I hope this stage just passed by the grace of God. Anyway guys, please let me know your thoughts at the comment section down below, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider joining the Simply family. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.